Thinking about taking a break from Facebook but don't want to delete your account forever? Let me show you how to deactivate it the right way. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the menu icon in the bottom right or top right corner. Scroll down and choose Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Now scroll until you see Account Center. Open it. Inside Account Center, go to Personal Details. Tap Account Ownership and Control. Now choose Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Facebook account and then choose Deactivate Account. Tap Continue, enter your password, and confirm. Your account is now deactivated. People won't see your profile, but you can reactivate it anytime by logging back in. If this helped, subscribe for more clean and simple tech tips from Mr. TECHFOX.